Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start to study IELTS. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Knowing the scoring system will help you understand what examiners look for. Next, assess your current English skills to identify areas needing improvement. Finally, set a clear, achievable target score and create a study plan that fits your schedule. To study effectively, dedicate time to each of the 4 modules every week. Use official IELTS practice tests to simulate exam conditions and get comfortable with the question types. Focus on expanding your vocabulary and refining your grammar, as these are crucial for higher scores across all sections. Consistent effort in these areas will build a strong foundation for success. To maximize your score, practice time management for each section, especially reading and writing, where time is often a challenge. Get constructive feedback on your writing and speaking from a qualified instructor to pinpoint specific areas for improvement. Immerse yourself in English daily by listening to podcasts, watching shows, and speaking with native or advanced speakers. This holistic approach will significantly boost your confidence and performance. Before your exam, review common errors and understand how to avoid them. On test day, remember to stay calm and confident. A clear mind performs best. Take deep breaths and trust your preparation. For more helpful resources and deals, including that fantastic sock recommendation, make sure to check the description below this video. Good luck with your IELTS journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.